Gotta get a tight grip. You're messing it up. Oh God. Too slippery.
You should not do this.